Hello class 10. We have studied GST and I think you all have studied share and dividends banking. Now I will start linear inequation. Linear inequation. Inequation means that is not an equation. Inequation means like this: 4 greater than 2, minus 4 less than minus 3. Clear? Or x is greater than or equal to y, a is less than or equal to b. It means 4 kinds. Inequation means of 4 kinds: only greater than or only less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Clear? What is linear inequation? Linear inequation means an equation in degree 1. First of all, what is linear equation? An equation in degree 1, but here we have to study inequation. It means this: x plus 3 greater than 4, or x is less than minus 4, or 2x plus 3 upon 7 is greater than or equal to minus 1, x minus 11 upon 12 is less than or equal to 2. It means, what is linear inequation? An inequation containing the variables in degree 1, or the maximum power of the variables must be 1. Only power must be 1. That is called linear inequation. Clear? What is linear inequation? Some sets you have studied, like replacement set and solution set. What is replacement set and what is solution set? Suppose one inequation is given: x is greater than minus 4. Clear? Can you tell me what are the values of x such that this inequation will be satisfied? X is greater than minus 4. X is greater than minus 4. It means what are the values? Greater than minus 4. It means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot. It means if this inequation is given x is greater than minus 4, it means we can take the values. Which all values? Greater than minus 4 means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It means these are the values which satisfy the given inequation. It means this is called solution set. Why solution set? Since it is containing more than one values. Many values are coming, infinite values are coming. Therefore, we have to put in a set. That is why this set is called solution set. Clear? What is a replacement set? Replacement set means, suppose it is given that x belongs to integer. Suppose it is given that x can take the values only of integer. It means in integer many values are there, minus infinity to plus infinity. But in the solution set, not all the values, maybe sometime all the values or subset of the replacement set is given. It means what is replacement set and what is solution set? Replacement set means the set from which we can choose the values. The set from which the values will be selected. That is replacement set. What is solution set? The set of values which all have been selected from the set replacement set, so that the given inequation will be satisfied. Clear? What is replacement set? That set from which we have to select the values, we have to choose the value. And solution set, the set which is containing all the values which satisfy the given inequation. Clear? Solution set and replacement set. Now, how to solve inequations? Solution. First of all, 3-4 points are there. What are the points? The points are, we can add or subtract the same quantity on both sides of any linear inequation, as we are doing in equation part. Clear? We can add or subtract both sides the same quantity in linear inequation as we are doing in equation. Now the problem is with multiplication and division. We can multiply and divide both sides of an inequation with a same positive number, then no problem. Means we can divide or multiply both sides of a linear inequation with a positive number, means same positive number, then there is no problem. But if we will multiply or divide by a negative number, in both sides of a linear inequation, then inequality will be changed. Why? See, suppose simple example, 2 is less than 3. We can add or subtract, then there is no problem. Suppose we are adding 1, what is coming? This is true. Suppose we are subtracting, what is coming? 1 is less than 2. This is also true. Now you can add, subtract, or you can multiply or divide. Multiply by 2, this will become 4 is less than 6. Correct? Now divide by 1, 2 by 2 less than 3 by 2, it means 1 is less than 1.5. Correct? All we can add or subtract by the same quantity. We can multiply or divide by the same positive quantity. There is no problem. But if you will divide or multiply by a same negative number, then see what will happen. Same inequality. Suppose 2 is less than 3. We are multiplying by minus 1. This will become minus 2. This will become minus 3. And this is 2 is less than 3. It is correct. But what about minus 2 is less than minus 3? Minus 2 is less than minus 3. No, it is wrong. It means minus 2 is greater than minus 3. This is correct, na? It means that is why the rule is whenever you will multiply or divide by a negative number on both sides of a linear inequation, then inequality will reverse its sign. Understood why? To make the inequality true or correct. Only we have to remember this. Clear? Now we will solve the questions. Yes, one more thing. As we are transposing the terms in equation solving, similarly we can transpose the terms in inequation also. No problem. Clear? We will see. First question. Suppose question number 6. If x is a negative integer, find the solution set of. Question number 6. Exercise 4. X is a negative integer. It means x belongs to z minus. It means here what is the replacement set? Replacement set means the set from which we have to choose the values. It means here from which set we can choose the values? Only from the negative integer set, not whole set. X belongs to negative integer. Now the equation is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 x plus 1 is greater than 0. This is the inequality. Now we have to find solution set. See, first we can take LCM. What will come? 2 plus x plus 1 upon 3 greater than 0. Clear? Now this will become 2 plus x plus 1 greater than 0. It means we can write 3 plus x greater than 0. Up to you understood? 3 plus x greater than 0. Now we have to find x. It means x will be greater than minus 3. We have transposed 3, then x is greater than, and whenever we are transposing, signs will be changed. Same process as we were doing in equation. X is greater than minus 3. It means what are the integers greater than minus 3? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, all. We have to find solution set. It means solution set will be, we can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 and here -1 -2. What is the first integer? X is greater than -3. It means -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 dot dot dot. Clear? Another method is also there. We can write the solution set like x such that x belongs to z minus and x is greater than -3. See, two methods are there. One is you have studied roster method or set builder form. This is set builder form. X such that x belongs to z minus and x is greater than -3, and this is -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4. Clear? Now next question number 10. In question number 10, what is an equation? List the solution set. List the solution set means we have to write each of the values of the solution set. What is an equation? 11 minus 2x upon 5. 11 minus 2x upon 5 greater than or equal to 9 minus 3x upon 8 plus 3x by 4. Clear? 11 minus 2x upon 5 greater than or equal to 9 minus 3x upon 8 plus 3 by 4, not 3x, 3 by 4, and replacement set x belongs to natural number. X belongs to, it means replacement set is natural number. Why? We have to choose the values from natural number. Clear? Now, how to solve? First, we will take the LCM on both sides. Left side, no problem. This will same. This will become 9 minus 3x plus. When LCM, you will take LCM. LCM will be 8. This will become 6 upon 8. Correct? Now this will become 11 minus 2x upon 5. 15 minus 3x upon 8. Done. Now you will cross multiply. Then what will come after cross multiplication? This will become 88 minus 16x. This will become 75 minus 15x. Clear? Final step. 88 minus 16x, 75 minus 15x. Now transpose. When you will transpose, this will become 88 minus 75, or wait, up to here. Clear? Then after this, see, the statement is 88 minus 16x greater than 75 minus 15x. 88 minus 16x greater than 75, and in the question this is greater than or equal to. Correct it? In the question it is given greater than or equal to. It means this is greater than or equal to. Now we are transposing minus 16x here and 75 here. It means 88 minus 75 greater than or equal to 16x minus 15x. Clear? It means what is the answer? This will become 75. It means 13 is greater than or equal to x. Clear? 13 is greater than or equal to x. It means x is less than or equal to 13. Correct? 13 is greater than or equal to x. It means x is less than or equal to 13. List the solution set means, it means natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 13. Why 13 is also included? Since less than or equal to 13. Clear? This is clear? Now one thing, in previous question what we have done in question number 6, in question number 6 solution set was at last x is greater than minus 3, but remember in that question x belongs to negative integer. It means what is the solution set? X is greater than minus 3. What are the negative integers? Minus 2 and minus 1. This is only the solution set. Not all minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Correct it. Since x belongs to negative integer, it was given that x can take the values only from x is a negative integer. X belongs to negative integer. That is why x is greater than minus 3 means minus 2 or minus 1. It means solution set will be minus 2 minus 1. Clear? Now it is correct. Now next question 11. In 11 it is already given x belongs to natural number. In equation is minus 2 less than or equal to minus 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3, 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 1 whole 5 by 6. It means 11 by 6 and x belongs to natural number. It means here the replacement set. From which set we have to take the values? That is natural number. Second part is also there. Find the values of x, and second part, graph the solution set on the number line. Okay, first we will solve 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3. Again the process is same. Here directly you can solve. How to solve directly? Minus 2 less than or equal to, what is the LCM? 6. This will become 3. This will become minus 4x less than or equal to 11 by 6. Clear? First step we have taken LCM. Now multiply throughout by 6. Multiply throughout by 6. When you multiply throughout by 6, 6 into minus 2, this will become minus 12. 6 upon 6 cancelled. 6 upon 6 cancelled. What is left? 3 minus 4x less than or equal to 11. Clear? The next, first we have to make x. From this term we have to bring only x. It means first step we have to remove 3. For that subtract 3 throughout. Throughout in each of the terms subtract 3. Then this will become minus 12 minus 3. 3 minus 4x minus 3. 11 minus 3. We have studied we can add or subtract in both sides or in every term of the equation by the same number. It means we have subtracted 3. Then this 3 and 3 cancel. What is left? Minus 15 less than or equal to minus 4x less than or equal to 8. Correct? Clear? Up to here? Then we have to remove minus 4. First remove 4, and it means we have to divide by 4. When you will divide by 4, this will become minus 15 by 4 less than or equal to minus x less than or equal to 2. Just we are dividing by 4, not minus 4. Or if you will divide by minus 4 directly, inequality will be changed. It means these two numbers will be changed. See. This has come minus 15 less than or equal to minus 4x less than or equal to 8. Directly also we can divide by minus 4. When you will divide by minus 4, then what will come? Inequality will change. It means this will be here and this will be here. Why? Inequality has to change the sign. Or second method, these two sign will be changed. Any one method. Clear? That is why first I have divided by plus 4. It means minus 15 by 4 minus x and 8 by 4, that is 2. First we are dividing by plus 4. Now divide by minus x. when you will divide by minus 1, first this will become plus 15 by 4, this will become plus x, but this will become minus 2. Clear? But this will come here and this will come here. It means this will become 2 will become minus 2. We will write here. Minus x will become plus x. Minus 15 by 4 become plus 15 by 4, but we have to write here. Now understood how to write? Clear? Whenever you will divide or multiply by negative number, inequality will be changed. But here two inequalities, double inequalities are there, then extreme values will be interchanged. It means after dividing by minus 1, this will become minus 2, but minus 2 we will write here. After dividing by minus 1, this will become plus 15 by 4, but we will write here. Minus x will become plus x. Clear? Now we have to find the values, and x belongs to natural number. It means more precisely we can write minus 2 less than or equal to x, and this will become clear 15 by 4. Now what are the natural numbers? Solution set. Minus 2x is greater than or equal to minus 2, and x is less than or equal to 3 whole 3 by 4. But x belongs to natural number. It means we cannot take the decimal value. Therefore we can write first value natural number 1, 2, 3. This understood? Clear? X is greater than or equal to minus 2, but we have to take natural number. It means first natural number will be 1, 2, 3 point something. It means 1, 2, 3. How to show or how to graph on number line? On number line 1, 2, 3, it means you will write 1, 2, 3 and one more point, that is 4. But natural number means only discrete values are there. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, not continuous, not all of the values. Therefore we will write like this. We will use dark circle 1, dark circle 2, dark circle 3. This understood? Dark circle 1, dark circle 2 and dark circle 3. That will be your solution set. Clear? One more question. 13 first part. See, what is 13 first part? X by 2 plus 5 less than or equal to x by 3 plus 6, where x is a positive odd integer. Here what is the replacement set? We have to take the values from the set positive odd integer. Okay, first we will solve. Now this will become, directly we can transpose these two and we can transpose these two. Then this will become x by 2 minus x by 3 less than or equal to 6 minus 5. We have transposed. 5 will become minus 5, x by 3 will become minus x by 3, inequality will remain same. When we are transposing the terms, inequality will remain same. Now this will become 3x minus 2x, that is x by 6 less than or equal to 6 minus 1, that is 5. It means x is less than or equal to 6. Correct? Now the replacement set is x is a positive odd integer. It means what is the solution set? X is a positive and odd integer. It means 1, 3, 5. Integer but positive and odd. It means 1, 3, 5. Clear? Now 14x belongs to I, that is integer. Solve the equation and graph the solution on the number line in equation is 3 greater than or equal to x minus 4 upon 2 plus x by 3 is greater than or equal to 2. This is the equation. 3 greater than or equal to x minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3 greater than or equal to 2. Then again how to solve? 3 greater than or equal to, this will become, LCM is 6, this will become 3x minus 12 plus 2x greater than or equal to 2. This will become 3x plus 2x, 5x minus 12 upon 6 greater than or equal to 2. Again multiply throughout by 6. Multiply throughout by 6. This will become 18. This will become 6 by 6 cancelled. This will become 6 into 2, that is 12. Now again first we have to remove minus 12. How to remove minus 12? We will add 12. When you will add 12, this will become 18 plus 12. Minus 12 plus 12 cancelled. 12, 12, 24. Now from solution means we have to find the value of x only. Only x. Therefore we will divide by 5. This will become 30. It means this will become 30. When you will divide by 5, this will become 6. This will become x and this will become 24 upon 5. What is 24 upon 5? 4.8. It means this is the solution set. Clear? 6 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to 4.8. We have to find, given that, solve the inequation and graph the solution on the number line. Clear? It means how to write the solution set, or you can see first 6 is greater than or equal to x and x is greater than or equal to 4.8. See, it means x is greater than or equal to 4.8 but x is less than or equal to 6. Correct? X is greater than or equal to 4.8 but x is less than or equal to 6. It means what is the solution set? 5 and 6. Correct? X is greater than or equal to 4.8. It means 5, 6, 7. It what? X is also less than or equal to 6. It means 5 and 6. Number line 5, 6. Always take two more values. It means we will write 4, 5, 6 and 7. But we have to take only 5 and 6. Therefore, and both 5 and 6 are included. Therefore, we will use dark circle. We will use dark circle. Clear? Solution set and number line.